you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have BOLZANO for September. Do you want to see what bag I received? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my BOLZANO bag just arrived and this is for September, and I'm so excited to see what kind of a bag is going to be in here and see what's all inside. I get so excited when I get this because I get amazing and very beautiful high quality bags from them, and I just get excited when I get this bag. Now, if you don't know about BOLZANO, you can get a special gift up to $45 when you subscribe by using my code. So what you do is you place whichever subscription that you're wanting to purchase in the cart, and then in the search bar, type in SheCrafty gift and then add it to your cart. That will get you a free gift valued up to $45 that you will get on your first subscription when it's delivered. So that is amazing. And let's see what is in here. Again, if you do, in that search bar, put in SheCrafty gift so you can get that free gift upon ordering. So let's see. And they always come in this duster bag. It's in a mailer bag that I removed, and then all their bags are in these duster bags. So I like that. It's nice and convenient because I leave it in here when I have them stored when I'm not using them. And yeah, oh, this is a beautiful color. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful color, perfect for this season. Ooh, that's like a magenta burgundy. There's the front. It says BOLZANO right there. Let's get these off. Let's see how long the handles are. This is nice color. I'm really loving this. Okay. So, and everything is all protected, which I do appreciate. Let me get this off. All right. So, ooh, and there's a little keychain that hangs. Let me get and that's wrapped in plastic as well. That's their logo. So there's their logo that hangs on that. You can leave that on there, you could take it off, you could put it on your keychain, you can do whatever, but it looks really nice and it adds to it. I like the silver hardware on this. I love that color. I love that color. Okay, so there is a zipper back here, and it's all black inside, and it goes down to right there. So you can store whatever you would like in your back pocket for easy access. And then the inside, we got some goodies. We got some more goodies. Here's the card. There's some bubble wrap. Here are straps that you can attach to right here if you want to just have it on the longer and let the straps hang, or you can use the straps, which that's perfect. That's perfect level for me. I don't like the ones that are a little smaller where I can't put my arm on, because that's how I like to carry my purse. That's just my own personal preference. So that's just how I live. Yes, perfect. Okay, so now the inside, now that we got the goodies out. Nope. So there's the inside. There's a pocket right there. There's another pocket right there. So if you want to put your cell phone or little goodies that you can get to and that's easily accessed and you know where it's at. An open middle, then there is a zipper right here. I just close it. There's a zipper right there for that. Ooh, that's a nice deep size pocket. So this is nice, you guys. So there's the inside complete that you can see in there. And yeah, I like that. So let's see what the card says about the bag so we can learn a little. Ooh, look, there's little feet. I love when purses do that, so then you're not, whenever you set it down, it's not being sat on the actual material of the bag. So this says, meet this month's bag curated especially for you. Now that is one thing that I forgot to mention that I must mention, because it is an amazing thing. They have a profile, and you go through and you answer so many different questions about the style bags, the color bags, the accessories. You tailor your profile to your liking. So every month when you get a new bag sent to you, it's going to be based off of your profile, which I love because I know, like me, I'm very particular with my handbags and my purses. Now this one I did kind of open it up a little bit more than I normally would have, so I can show you a different range of what they have to offer. But if you were to subscribe, you can put in all of your likes and dislikes, so it's tailored specifically to your preferences. So this says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month, we've chosen our Gabriella bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $198. Gabriella is part of our new fall collection, which I love that color. It comes in plum, terracotta, butternut, and black. So this must be the plum color. What we love about this bag: sturdy handles, convenient long straps, yes, zipper back pocket, purse feet, top zipper closure, inside multi-functional pockets. Yes, yes, and yes. So I do love, again, that I mentioned, it has the feet on there. It has the back pocket for easy access. It has the complete zipper. I do not like purses that are completely open, because if I set my purse down and it happens to tip over, I don't want the contents inside my bag to be falling out or getting lost. So I do like that it's a complete full zipper, and I am loving, so this would be the plum. So like I said, it's kind of like a burgundy, magenta-ish plum color. Very, very pretty, very, very fall, which I love this color, you guys. That's probably, if not my favorite purse that I've received so far, if it's not my first, I think it is. I think I really like, there was another one that I really, really liked. So I think that they're both neck on neck on that one. So let's see what are in these goodies, you guys. So this looks like, ooh, this looks like a really nice scarf. Let's see here. This is pretty. So there's a scarf, and we have some jewelry. So here is the complete scarf. That is very pretty. You can even look, is that a purse or what? Oh no, it looks like a purse. No, it's just a design. So you can even tie this on your purse as an accessory. You can tie this in your hair. You can use this scarf for anything that you would like, but you can, that would look really pretty if you tied it on this. Yes. Or like I said, you can tie it in your hair. You can pull it around your hair, tie it on your hair. You can do whatever with those scarves, which that's amazing. Then we have two jewelry items. So let's get these out. So here we have is a necklace, and it has a really pretty X on it, and it has matching earrings. Let me set that down to open this one. So here is the necklace with the matching earrings. I do like that at least it is a matching set. There's that. Those are very cute. And then there's another little package of goodies in here. Ooh, I see something that I like. Okay, so we have, here's eyelash curler. I do like the packaging, that little glitter background. Let's get this opened here. It's like a little glitter cardboard. I like that. I'm gonna use that for my scrapbook. And ooh, this guy here looks like Desi lip liner. Ooh, and that's in a true red. So very fall color. That is very, very cute. So we have a lip liner that is in the color True Red. And then here is the eyelash curlers. And it has that little safety thing, so there's that. So they open all the way and then close. So this was just holding it closed. So we have those two items. Then we have, ooh, we have these little, let me get this opened. And I think these are for eyelashes, and I just started wearing those magnetic lashes, and this would be really good tool for me to use to put them on. So these are for your lashes. So I really do like that. And I like how everything matches, and I have another cardstock for my scrapbook. And here's another one. Ooh, I like that. I'm excited for these. And then in here are scissors, and everything matches. I do appreciate that as well. So here's a little set of scissors, little snip snip, maybe so you can trim your eyelashes or whatever you need to do. So here's some little trimmers, some eyelash holder uppers, and the lash curl. So that's awesome. And then here, is this like a little bag maybe to put your tools in? Yes. So here's a little bag that you can leave. Oh, there's a little, what's in there? Oh, there's a little plastic little set of like, looks like little tweezers or something that are in there. But you can stick all of your tools and everything in here with anything else that you have and zip it up and you're good to go. So that is everything that came in my bag. This is by far the best one that I have received. Not only just the purse, but the accessories that were inside as well. So we got a bag with the tools inside. We have the beautiful scarf, and you have a necklace and matching earrings. And the star of the show, this beautiful purse. And I love the fact that these are vegan, it's vegan leather, and it's not very heavy. So once you add your contents inside, it's not going to weigh you down. Some purses, they already start off heavy, empty. So I do like that their purses have that soft, thin, lightweight material that's not going to weigh you down. So you guys, I will have their link down below. Follow that link to their site and search in that bar for my code to get a free gift valued up to $45. So that is awesome as well. Thank you so much, BOLZANO, for sending this to me for review to show my viewers. And again, you guys, I think this is by far the best box bag month. This is the best month that I have received so far. I can't wait to see what we get now next month. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this? I think this is the best one that I have received, even though the other ones were still amazing. I just think this one was a little bit better because of the colors, the variation, the style, the contents inside. The scarf is just beautiful. I love these colors. And yeah, so comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.